All right, welcome to the virtual tour of the Golden Isles College and Career Academy Graphic Arts program. And that's what our door looks like. That was from a contest from last year. So we want you to find your adventure in graphic design. This is our classroom. This is where our PCs are. This is where we do a lot of the lecturing, and if we have guest speakers, they'll do the guest speakers in this room here. And again, great big old whiteboard for all that knowledge that's going to be shared with the students. I call it the Monster Factory. We're going to be talking about creativity. All right, what it takes to be creative. All right, we're trying to create a positive learning environment. All right. There's where I do a lot of my work. And then this is going to be the lab area. And we have the added benefit of being a Mac lab. We will be editing using the Adobe products. We will use do video editing. All right. That's our large format printer. That's what we do, banners and posters and certain assignments. There's some banners that we did for a couple of the new teachers out here at the Career Academy. It's our large cutting machine. Some props that we use in our video and photography projects in our haunted house. That is our Frankenstein bed from our video and photography projects and the haunted house. And there's our creature from the Black Lagoon setup from our haunted house and video production. It's where we do a lot of the laminating and bindery work. It's our t-shirt machine. Paint supplies, art supplies. Leftover paper from our print shop days. Our drill machine. Our stitching machine. Our Skills USA uniforms. Our props for learning. Props for learning. Props for learning. Our laser printer. Back to the classroom. And I sure do hope that everybody that has signed up for the GICA Graphic Arts looks forward to being here, and I look forward to having you in the classroom.